But you go into 2024 elections. Ghana for humiliating Akufo Addo NPP as a political party in the manner that they did. Because Bawumia's defeat is the most embarrassing defeat a candidate has suffered in the electoral history of this country. So now I believe, sir, the party ebesuyan bibi afrim na amo hambo amo ho say this is some verdict to be a Ghana for a pass the amayen, because we were in an era that was highly signatured by arrogance, by incompetence, by greed, by a physical display of some way Nipa became not amenable to reasoning, common sense logic. Say, oh, you will be our sorry now, Kassetia, you were deemed enemy of the state. That's right. Say, every single principle be in democracy be no yebubu mutuguye. So Ghanaians became so fed up with the Akufo Addo government, say they exited the government in a very embarrassing manner, Owusu in the way that they lost. And my culture say, as reasonable men of conviction running a political institution with tradition, with one kasa with track record like NPP, no Alaska, when you lose power, you degenerate into a phase we call reconciliation. And this Owusu election, report. That's right. See, you don't do those things for nothing. You just try to backtrack to ascertain Nema a course of Owusu elections. So when you get into that reconciliation phase, you don't get people out of the party, but rather you bring people on board. For the first time in the political history of this country, NPP lose political power in that embarrassing manner, and that is the period that Yasaki a lot of people from the party based on dissent. That's right. So reconciliation phase na omokosa nkomo kwakwa thank you talk. I engage ye ne ba also na adan I will kill you talk. Okay. I will kill you. Oh, now Kennedy Agyapong na say for adan tokwa na bronye ne we ewie no moto ma no mo ho. According to Brian Achampo, because omo kokura do baby no omo yi Kennedy Agyapong si kwan so. Ye candidate si kwan mu ja no hokoe. Basi tu ja no. So Alaska, that tells you say there are internally the party are fractured. Okay. It's broken relationship and papa, and as good managers of a political party, you try to navigate and patch all these things so that you become a very united entity. Ubetimia gather everybody along now what they are here. But as arrogant as they've always been, that particular reconciliation phase, they jumped it over. My culture said, "Say what come na car na kwatiata menem." Passenger car, ye car no grass a papai emoja na se fo nyina wom. We are as a sensible driver the first place to take the car to workshop. Workshop. We are work cleaning and sana da kosi station. But mo fa car no free gata ne ma omo gino kumase amam for me fro. And that's exactly what they are doing. And the over NPP as a political party. Yes. Car akwahwe say the car no be kwa mechanic. Amana fixe no. Dabi. Station amam from fro. So mo free say nipa no ma from no mu nim nyansa nti glass abokrom be fro. That's right. And that is the state the party is in. And it has been reactionary, it has been hostile, it has been lack discipline. The party is indeed broken. And yet this is not me talking. This is demonstrated in the sort of opinion that has been shared by a lot of the founding fathers of the party. Me are sure say what here your friend say nyahota maklo. That's right. Nsama Oka is no different from Nsama Makan. President Kufuor, who is the only living person in the tradition of this UP Buzia Darko tradition, the only person with me I win the election among Montella Akufo Addo by Ayonwa. Na uhu NPP no. That is not what the party is today. Okay. Well, party now maka say nimdifo hwan bobodia kase na say for party na uhu ne. And a whole candidate or Mokope president Eddie and then a win. Alaska. So for me, I think that is very, very disappointing. Say a democracy not degenerating into this thing. But deba ko amam for young who you say. You see, a deba ko DMPP nya pa mo mulusu election with madekro. And this a worker. A lack of trust. Lack of trust. Yes, amam for new money. Now Alaska wouldn't feel what you about Sankwasi akro no way. You think people will believe you so easily? The bomb mine from the town mine Japan, say your office and nanamensa. A serious. Yes, and the Kwabranete, a US or so, or one mammy crum on ma. ne maame kromo
ne papa krom
ose omma one Ghana fo atweaman so se ya so baba ose me ma one krom ne yere ne ma ne na busuafo ha no mu free
me pesa me American
yes baby wanyina duri so Alaska, that is how embarrassing it is. So ade amanfo nigidie wom e lack of trust because first is no mu hu ye ombe show ye arrogance kasafi kwasi akro no ne sa ne mani nyina no they're the same people hovering around. So as a reasonable intelligent party, what you do is try to bring on board candidates here. Ebema amanfo forget what happened under Akufo Addo. Ababaye a dark spot on our democracy. People don't want to remember. But if you handpick individuals who within the period no cause mayhem, distraction, kasafi, abrababone, you saying temperament here, I am childish temperament. Alternatives are be any reasonable. And now some economy no koto gatam no. The same individuals now sorry and say any every party anymore. Then it means Ghana ni cannot trust you.
Okay.
If you go to the leadership in parliament, it's the same thing. After your mark in that hostile way, and it minim adibisa wahua. To Mahamadu Bediatuo manzi. Anya hwe watwa wani yo. Watektanti obia. Sabi animonyam ne niema bia wuntimi mfa ewa Akufo Addo aban num no wontimi mfa ma meka no entina meka sa me candidate o mo twa mo ho ahia nyina the default presidential candidate won share nya no ho asem bebre enka Kwabena Agyapong.
That's right,
because he was barred from the establishment and on so watie na me tie na che oyobi a the convictions are quite clear. Person of principle, corruption or more can you mean get any issue involved in. So on yo obi a sabi sanka MPP no nya de yaba be hu ene yanka omunya o say yehena he's somebody or your distance away from all that has happened. So maybe he will be appealing to Ghanaians, and to a certain extent he will appeal to Ghanaians. But last kabada sorry I say your friend say Kennedy Agyapong so president edi. Kennedy Agyapong.
His Excellency Kennedy Agyapong, I still don't PhD.
Alaska.
Ade.
Me say sometimes Ghana for the emotion ke kan sem hunu na se for and on the line of politics na ba na wa born bra and na wanya ne sika na wa say Alaska maka cho say una wo sika dan manyo na video bia o.
That's right.
In politics and governance, and that is what people should understand. Una wo sisi abrosan tata so 40. Ohia ni onam kromanya na fidi no. Na we bia nra me da wona ma me dan dam. Oh, Bawumia to be animal. So we don't give a damn about you and your money. It is about leadership. Obia obetimi exhibit your friends saying leadership the ideas bebe betimi transform your mind no. Somebody with good temperament. Somebody on through childish tantrums. Somebody betimi friends say hey and this for say kokontokwa no de achire. So no na beka
I declare war.
Ye fra no anadwo ne yahia he we say kwatake omo. So if you can be used so easily in this particular manner, somebody who cannot even keep quiet and keep secret. NPP for can me go review my secret. Now we are president, do you know the secret you will learn as a president? And we bufua ko share ni nyina. Can you trust that person? The presidency, maybe people think it's a joke.
That's
it's
right.
Not a joke. The last time I told you, one of the American president said, Obey American president, you go through the inauguration, you know.
That's right.
Your mouth that your first a nuclear code near my secret in as a forum. Oti and 7 years, he asked for a vacation. Cause he learned secret and life will and that secret, that is the a minor year secret.
A minor crack.
Yeah, good. Oh, that is the right way. Alaska.
Right.
Na obia asema ba. Me say asema na honya. Na no back and forth na atachia. What asema okan atachia kai say ono sia na Heathrow airport. Na asem bi okafa Akufo Addo hom. At this level, you do that? At this level? Alaska met me no wanya asem at this time.
That's right.
You bet you be total enemies. Bankoma me no wadi in the past.
No, not at all.
Remains in the past.
Not at all.
Because some about one thing some be can and nyansa ni bia bekasa me nim nyansa because I didn't see and me free say wrong. I should have said it at the time.
That's right.
Nti sa niam we nyina demonstrate adwen a emu ha.
Adwen we na be di.
Yes, adwen we. Adwen tena TV so ka kira manfo say Mahamadu nim nyansa na manfo nkonkɔhye ne dan Akufo Addo yankɔhye asedu nkatia dan keka nsem hunu ayiyi emma afia so asene guy ni see the video ni sex videos and then not social media ne Tracy Boakye to man omo ho ka say Mahama ene Tracy Boakye na awo
serious
President Mahama ne obi na awo when you could not even ndi wakeka sa ase bia nkwase asem we nyina aboabo no be ye president a wanya tumi no nipa dim de obetimi aka
I declare war
ewefo ya chi no ko she ekula mo se ni diabetes aba Makacha said these people who talk wow like this, they are all cowards. What I say? Ndi Makasa for Kennedy Agyapong, he would have been a perfect person because when Africans said, "Well, yeah, probably or tough."
That's right.
That was why Rawlings always and always when they come to Rawlings, I'm very biased because I like people who can exert power, authority. Who say yes. Because the black men, we are very dangerous people. Sa nyame beye na sa menuano sa nsem hunu yam fa mu black man. Black man will be at Senimanu who say consequences or didn't say Muna, Massa, on fire hot. So I like people who are able to exert power. But no, say I was saying no one what demonstrators say the emotional intelligence and the emotional competence Albert Media are navigating around power. No, he doesn't have it. Or no, yeah, some say a womb. And I ever tell my mind that and people go about the greater strength industrialization. What see a dynamic say okay, that's fine. What the MPO are same for so how many years? More than 10 years. Now presidents me kwasa here for now way na san say net here.
Senado to me didi a.
Men so metimi adibi. That aura of respect ni hobiem. And a Ghana for so I don't want to so emotional and answer Mununti no na ya badges on a president. No, the presidency goes beyond that. It's not about money. It is about somebody who can be able to demonstrate wit, demonstrate some in. You see, an American power is a concept that needs to be studied and understood. Some Ghana for now do not manage the dynamics of politics, governance, leadership. I'm not sure that we'll be having this particular conversation. But I said, Mr. Aura no about form. That aura no ni hobium. And you know, be that sorry no or yan. But champo the common basic way. Alaska. I did a common sense, Me say a very expensive. The last time, but then I'm children didn't my friend a common and just a boo.
Okay.
The fact that they say common sense that means that it's available.
Okay.
Common sense, say nyansa for nyina tenasia. Now you can't say bia. The common position we all take this line. And the man common sense, common to all reasonable men. But it's not say a boo. This is a deep education. Yes.
Rewind the track.
Me say you can't common sense.
Okay.
And this is a boo obia wobio. No. Assemba na ye can. Now what's the science for table who say omonchiro omadwen. The common position they will take. That is the common sense. So it's not common sense. You can't common sense. Common sense to everybody. No.
Okay.
And you available to be very expensive. It can only be expressed by reasonable men.
That's right.
That is the point about common sense. Alaska, we were in a country. Abayano hwa tanya. People were even calling for coup d'etat. Abayano ya DBI mfa. Ghana for became so hostile and they wanted the government to go.
Okay.
At that time, a cabinet minister came and told us, say, "Mo hotel na mo se mo boka na meto because me ye kwa Bill Gates mo nyesika." Alaska. Na kraketwa kra odi ni ma me achie ko school na ma me aso no sa wato e mo agu ye fe ne say. I don't know. Take away. Flask. Full flask mu. Or kra be yes am kra sem way.
A cabinet minister.
Also about to Abanye Japade in the company because why I'm not just looking at all talk, but I'm looking at the time what was happening in Ghana.
That's right.
And the fact that Akufo Addo head was on the chopping and you bet here MPP for can say MPP lose branch can be
exactly
because or Ghana for before them because that wasn't the point to be having that conversation. I buy no why time at the time. Also but a hotel.
Tio, we are part of government. Hotel no so ye abind dia. What say abinding to me and managing to wo better.
So when you scratch
so what is the essence of you being in government?
Alaska, the same gentleman was involved in that. Ya was so West Wagon. I shoot to a man for one of the gentlemen. Ya born in name order so
no academy.
Bawumia Campaign besi na wontimi nyina no about that particular thing. Now we refer agric ministry. They the cause.
That's right.
NPP every aban so. Na ye de ka aduane oburo ye de ECOWAS ka aburo. ECOWAS. Cocoa board. Cocoa has always been the backbone of Ghana's economy.
Serious.
Cocoa near the 400 tons. Akufo Addo. Na sa amre na cocoa board e agric ministry as e nene ye free ho.
Our finance ministry.
Yes. Bawumia Campaign track record ni o. Answer na obebe na ni nua no kra de e ye no board e wo ye fence ministry kwa banche ne mpata. Otom banche ne mpata.
So no crap no contest 2023 so be the president. Emumpa.
Otom banche ne mpata so di mpata anwene. Di ya na pata to so ama. E na otom no ministry. These are comic characters who reduce governance into a joke in this particular country. And also be the president, because when Sika, and these people, the funny aspect of it, almost say Sika no nyano here and any buofu.
That's right.
But in governance in Alaska, where you got your money, you need to tell people where you got it from. Because people must understand that there should be that clarity.
A source of words.
Ofa Elon Musk na de be general say wetimi a kire say me campaign na ma wa wi chusu running mate no Alaska untimi chusu heba
NAPO problem no any arrogant.
Okay.
Na psychiatric issues. And also catch in the place the problem no any arrogant, yes, but a psychiatric issue.
And then they all cancer and say ma me chiro mu den all cancer.
Okay.
Then they all cancer and say Alaska enye deliberate no ye a naturally accustomed kind of thing. Okay. Because I mean, Kumase, the biggest day in his life, political life, Bawumia send womb away a cop. Alaska.
When an individual is arrogant, he has something behind him.
They talked about the fact that NAPO, the vice presidential, was arrogant.
I spoke about it on television. I told NAPO that his problem is not arrogant. It's a psychiatric case. And he needs attention of a psychiatrist.
Yes, Alaska. It's true. Who said, maybe I shouldn't say, but who said, what's not a fear beam growing up? Now, I say, Josie and Kawasem, that kind of way now. You feel that you are better than Obia.
That's right.
And you grow with that mindset. And you don't learn how to speak. You don't know how to argue because you see yourself that you are better than other people. So whenever you are supposed, so who grow up a chinjen sa nsemna wana man for an HAP to accept other people's view, look beyond one kasa opinion and ascertain the obika. Then within you draw a conclusion. But growing up, if you think you are better than Obi and Obi can so you grow in that and become part of you. Naturally, you may not intend to, but that is how you have become. That is what you have become. So it's natural. You can't run away. That is why he says a psychiatric problem. And so it's not like Washada. And now I'm 424 kwaje Mike bakope. Adam okoye. I say Akufo Addo amamu no nim se nyansa ni bia o ma.
Serious.
Ade we akora ketua okura mo de ne ma me achi ko school ba kan se mo.
Akora ketua
yakoto mo ama na. Ne ma me aso ne sa de ni twa kwan. Alaska ba kan se mo kanokre.
Eje na pono ya titi na yenye no.
Alaska ende ushia na wabisa no. And for me, I think that is the kind of incompetence I can was him. So Bawumia so no ne de say Alaska, this is a gentleman who was out there can some about the economy. So open a period in the history of this country that the economy became so tumbled, so dirty. So me word I may describe it. It is the tenor of this gentleman. So the question is ne huo bufuo ebi na man for the koto about the way the manner they did. Okay. So there na all the bafufro aban de oba ba kuna ulusu uba mienu na ulusu. Yes, naturally you nipa da in Alaska you go back. You learn and come back. So within this period no na you move free so wakokusua de nti oba back. Na also the policy be Bible until say obefa Christopher do ma ko Israel.
Odo be ko Israel.
And na culture say akwano incompetence no enya agudie na mom ade a engrave in his heart. Oh yes.
I want ni DNA.
Alaska. Na baby a Ghana for aba beduru a enkramofo kra de no ye mu binu me ka ye nkwankomu free ho because I'm against this nonsense of yam for my sika yam fan sponsor one for no mo nko meka obeba na ne batifie adwuma kro onya binye ne ba nam adwuma kro onya binye na papa na watam no na ko meka na waba ne ba nya adwuma nye no na nyansa ba na wom enti me principle ne say it is the belief of enkramofo say you need to go to Mecca right. But enkramofo na ka kire say obi kwa do kwa enhira nim
esa
oh yes enti wan kasa no unuru ho a mempre nko sika na aban de be sa na no Alaska yemfam bie scholarship scheme e wo zongo me say I know a lot of intelligent young people within Zongo. Omunya sponsorship and committee akoye medicine e wo baby.
Now the way they are very intelligent.
Yes. But yeah, the sikana be man papa where this is 10 years on come camera. No akwatena play mu aba obi kura kwa awotimi kukunu wo ho mabiem.
That's right.
Obaba na ne ba no da so te adwuma kro nya binye. Enti o mind why will you do this? Let us do it in such a way say ono no ne ho so no kwa fine ya man nko. No mind so sika no. Yam fan support ne ma ene your friends are programs are e ma manfo nya adwuma ye. Me that's my principal position.
Enti say ya te wase aban no enya nhihye say Sikan ko be investing into that. You investing into the development.
Yes.
This Zongo community.
Yes, because emrano ma ya ho kwan. Your friends say okọ your constitution article 17 down was so. You say discriminate e ma ho kwan say baby aban ni free say obetimi take policies for social, economic, developmental reasons. You know, you can select a group of people, target them with development. That is why Kwame Nkrumah selected Northern Region more scholarship at the time, just to balance it. Okay. So some of these strategies in there, you betimi the Zongo communities, making sure that there are a lot of intelligent people within. I betimi they support you more. Alaska, and this about Bawumia ban ne. No so say, or the your friend is saying,
Christopher,
or the Christopher kwa.
Israel.
Now even enkramofo no call mo kono kra me nya sure say aban na tua ni nyina de mo am say a subsidy and the wom.
That's right.
A subsidy na aban ye. But who create impression say oh ba be fa Christopher do mo akọ.
Na Israel na kasa ko mo asunje wo ho.
Oh na no okọ Israel efie bia be hia bia mo bom shelter wa hye. Omuti kum no mo akọ cha ase. Oman no. And Alaska, you see, yeah, we should not be doing these things. Look at a Christopher population more chroma saying. Now a buying decided say or sponsor or namum or subsidize the crowd. That's subsidy. No, do you know what that money can do in this country? What are seminars? So this is not time to be advocating. Oh, come with fresh ideas at Ghana for Besum. But you say Nipano. The value is the same. On society, a dream bia mekan ho is the same thing. And I am madam for adutwim. On the makase adu anan friend say. Enya adutwim. Adutwim. Alaska. On the Pentecost of one kono mo born the canon the Bible. Oh no ko preach. He's a nice guy. And I think so akra no betimi atwe manyame. And the president dey on forget to cry. Oh. Alaska sembe na okay. I do him there. Obokwa ko hia na Sunday no kura Bible na ye fo o preach na obetimi atwe akra bebre. Na president there ko ye kwada adwene ho he fan. Alaska. Na me catch say presidency no Akufo Addo be bi o. Wa ya manimunyam na ti say tram. Eni ho biem. And anybody at all wetimi abobo ska na kakra bi asara me so person me the president. Devoid of anything. You understand? So for me, I think say in as much as it's an internal party NPP na nkasa structure to do whatever that they want to do no. Me problem ne say 2.3 party no I lose in the way. Okay. Is the reason why you see these characters because ordinary Kennedy Agyapong nko okogina vetting na senko pam no kura free ho. And the catch as a council of state acquire vetting na Kennedy Agyapong pass vetting because a council of state no we dey nkora na mpanimfo. Because we are follow Ghana politics. Now we need near Akoto Kroma say will sit and say a party already no party na nkasa na manfo need trust wom party na nkasa integrity dada. Now we here to rebuild yourself no. What's a Kennedy Agyapong a candidate? But Champion a candidate. Alaska, we need to get serious in this country. I do Kim. Ever be the president will Kroma say. Na education ministry ko wonder man ko say saying. Oh, what I say?
Also was coupon akasimi no.
Oh, masa. Oh, masa. Oda mo mu fura broche baba ke candle story. Yante kroma na omo mu twi taxi driver catch some your doctors some chira de university. Ekosi say.
That's right.
Ekosi say o kroma say.
Okay, Kwabena Agyapong.
Kwabena Agyapong da me maka.
That's right.
Me said I need no one some money because me I like the way in the politics.
That's right.
otenasena oka na dwen, and that is a fact. It's unfortunate that he meddled in the last administration in as a forum. But Alaska, a person of conviction is a person of conviction. Me, that's my point. So for him, Uhuna clearly or demonstrating who he really is. You may disagree with him, baby ujina. Politically, you may belong to different way. But when you see him that you've met a person of a principle. When the way. That's what I'm telling you, sir. Say MPP is serious power be no more pay. Now they want to stand themselves away from previous happening and that gentleman should be the natural and the default candidate to lead the MPP. But that is up to them to decide, especially at this time. The Ekosi, what is Obi Krabo needing, baby? Because it is for the highest bidder. A man for Bejijo Musika and Sikano said a man for Wubi. You real good them. You babeche. Na in Sri Lanka, mese Ghana politics Sikano Alaska. So offer quite money who we are. Nyankopo beje fruism.
That's right.
Because Umbeko primary so me no. Na Sikano mu we go dem no. Almost be 50% watch am Ghana for na. And Umbeje. Omoduma so amonye. Oh yes. Na anti kroma na body so president edi. Na Alaska in your widest imagination nya se bia dam na beba team akwa we ade oye de na beba ni team so president edi. And this Sikana was say good dem no. Nyankopo be fa kwan bi so was say ni nyina ma delegate am mo age. And so what is it's a natural order. You can't do anything away from it. So for me, Sikana Mosasa, no, I'm going to Magana for no munya bindi. Now presidency did there. Sa nipa we omodo omu because the best person among them will not even cross maybe 10% in po. Because omunya hu no, because oni sika okwa check. So they will go and vote for the same candidate and they'll be humiliated because my culture said the basic issue with the MPP is trust.
The basic issue with them.
I trust you. How I bet you are convincing Ghana for?
You mami.
Ube win election. Oh, what fair ye? Obon se Sikana. O abaimu. O fa kwambone sunya no. Udi ni nyina ya campaign. Wabu omani kalabule. Kwambone so aji omani sika. Edi asho nko akotoku. Election no bedi nkunim. MP no wa wini awie. Bara shepo no wa fa. Obon se Sikana obo abo ano a. Omana de na fa kwambone so fa no. Na uhwiegu. Odi ya campaign.
And then the money
you obtain the unjust enrichments you will use all of them for
up
and coming president.
And the prophets will come and tell you, oh, you have won the election.
Oh, your excellency.
Oh, up and coming president. Oh, your excellency. And you feel pompous. You feel on top of the world. And you are pumping money to your campaign. God said, I want a certain prophet who will prophesy to this person that he will win the election. Even though he will lose, I want the prophets to prophesy to him that and all the prophets will come. Oh yes, you would win. It is possible. You will win.
FM 92.3.
Obi ono was so eja asi Ato Forson so mo corrupt. Na Kennedy Agyapong Net2 TV so ka say onim sofo bia wakunipa na ode ahye na sorase besinne ontimi mo sofo krodin. And this is a very serious allegation.
That's right.
Yes, all of us didn't like the way a man asofo bunu operate because some have been a scam and asofo no, but the very people he was attacking and no one and na yeshem command
that's right.
Alaska enti our whole rights obey, but element of consistency in leadership is very, very, very key.
Right.
Oh, baby, binti all of a sudden in the Bigwigs. Alaska, can you trust such a person and hand over this country? I can't just say Alaska. The most dangerous thing to do is to arm a fool with political power.
Arm
a fool with power. He becomes very dangerous not only to himself but everybody around. I can say Obia. Na dwiatia faso a oni netifie na wakoto tu abato ne dem ofriza hwanti na wakoto tu no
anya mo
yes a dam na come off tu na wa wo bia no enti Ghana fo beto tu de abema sabi obi adwene betimi atia faso amana na ne bufu no kotam tu na Alaska. We need to get serious. May I say these things without emotions, so me I don't care what.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.